Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I was out doing some cleaning, reorganization in the shop, trying to maximize my space. And one of the things that I use a lot is this rigid wet and dry vac. And it came with this 2.5-inch hose, and you can see it's kind of bulky. I've had to repair it a couple of times. And one of the things that I hate, see how it just collapses super easy, and I've been meaning to replace it. And so today I finally did, and I was going to show you what I'm going to replace it with. Okay, so I want to show you, these are the adapters I'm going to use to go from 2.5 to 1 7/8. There's 3 different ones. Well, this one I've already put in. It just slips into place, and the thing I like about it is it still swivels. So even though you get it into place, it's just a pressure fit. You can twist and it'll swivel. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stick this one in here on this end, and you'll see how it puts it in, and it still swivels. And then here's my adapter to go to the 1 7/8, and boom, there you go. Pretty nifty. These are some extra fittings. I'm just going to save them in case one of these crack or something. I can use one of these as a backup. Until next time, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe, come back to see me again. I'm going to continue to do some more videos. Until next time, stay safe.